So, hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So, here I am going to explain in English. So, but if you want Hindi explanation, definitely you can shift to IELTS 9 Hindi channel. Okay, thank you so much in advance. For this reading, we have already done this list of heading questions. See this. So, we have selected and how I have, whatever I have chosen, I side by side I am doing this so that there will be no confusion that how many options are left. Okay. So in answer sheet, in front of paragraph's name, you just write these alphabets, whatever the way they have given. Here they have given in alphabets, but sometimes, most of the time, they have given in like these numerical numbers 1, 2, 3, 3. So follow whatever the instructions are saying, you just write it. Don't think that here also we can write 1, 2, 3 number. No. Now let's do next type of question here. This fill in the blanks. Okay. Complete the following notes on reading passage 3 using 1 or 2 words from the reading passage for each answer. Write your answers in this on your answer sheet. It means we can use one answer, one word or 2 words. 2 words also we can use, 1 word also we can use. And from where we have to got these answers? Definitely from the reading passages. How we will get the location of these questions here? Definitely with the help of keywords. How we can get correct answers with the help of keywords, that I am going to explain you here. First stage, of course, notes on the development of writing. So this title of this passage is notes on the development of writing. Now here, first stage of writing. Okay, so here first stage of writing. So already we have read this paragraph. Okay, so here earliest stage they have given in the first paragraph, but definitely I will look for this keyword that is easy to locate. These are not easy to locate. In fact, this numerical figure is easy to locate. So 15,000 years I will just try to find, and then definitely we will find rock painting and caves and famous example. So this is our first fill in the blanks. Let's find this 15,000 cave and rock. Of course, we will just look in the first paragraph. We will start from the first paragraph. I can see 15,000 years. I have already circled it. When I was doing my first type of question, I have done this. I have not marked all the things into underlined, circle, and no. Few things I have circled it. Okay, here I have got 15,000 years also, rock and cave paintings also. Now I will be showing you the question statement. Now do it with me, then there will be a useful video for you. Okay, so before I announce the answer, you also try to find the answer correctly and you can pause the screen. Okay, here we have got 15,000 rock and also. Now let's read what they are asking. Evidence cave and rock paintings, famous example dash reasons for the development of writing, primitive ceremonies, event season used on pottery. No. Events. No. I think here they have finished the sentence. Like, yeah, they have used these 2 dots. Cave and rock paintings. Cave and rock painting dates back to 15,000 years, although the exact dates are debatable. We are looking for example. Example word is here. So whatever the blank is there. So before and after. So after, no. Okay, I think here they have done a full stop. This is not the full stop. So after the blank is nothing, another line, but before blank is example. You can see this. Example word I have, yeah, examples. So famous example. So here they have written the best known examples in South Africa. So this is, I think, mistake. It is mistake. Famous best known examples, southwestern France. So here cave and rock paintings they were talking, and this kind of pro-literate cave painting have been found in Europe with the best known examples southwestern France. So this we can write it here. Now you will be saying this is 3 word. No. Where this word, what we call it, like where they have given this thing between 2 words, it means this is 1 word only. Okay, 1 word and 2. This is 2 word answer. Now next, reasons for the development of writing, primitive ceremonies, recording event season. So I think this were this seasons kind of thing. Here here this is primitive calendar is also there. It was in second paragraph. Now I will show you the question statement. Reasons. So here we have got primitive primitive ceremonies, recording events, recording the changes in the season as they happened, used on pottery to represent. Now they want pottery also. Pottery is not here. No, seasons is there, everything we have got. Pottery, where we can related theory, need for development, for writing. Need means, yeah, I think development for writing arose thereafter from transaction, and battering went on in parts of what is now pieces. Pottery word is here. So yes, so pottery, all they have started giving words from the above paragraph. Now they have come to another paragraph using the word pottery. So pottery, to represent, two word is also there, represent is also there. To have been used as token, to represent tokens. No, two word is here. Let's move to next page. See, this correct word is there. Tokens, to represent word is also there. That's why this is good trick. You just find out the word before and after. Okay, so before word to represent is given, to represent bartered objects. So we can write this bartered objects. Now next one is, we are looking for this. I have just copied from the paragraph. Whatever the spelling they have given, use that spelling. Next stage, simple pictograms. Pictures used to represent articles and. Okay, use pictogram. So pictogram is in this fourth paragraph. You can see pictograms used to represent articles and. Okay, and have been found from almost every part of the world, every era of the development, and still used in communities nowadays. They represent objects. What we are looking for, represent articles and. Articles, I think objects, ideas or concept. I think they are talking about used to represent ideas, concept, objects. Articles is objects, I think, and here and is given. Then what we should write it? After objects it is use pictograms, pictures used to represent articles and. This is confirmed articles, I think, objects, ideas. So I will just write ideas. Ideas or concept, but after objects it is written only ideas. So I will just write it here, ideas. Okay, now next question. Very simple drawings, but very difficult to understand. Then, okay, then 8000 BC combined dash to create new concept. So 8000, let's find. Simple drawings. Okay, yes, everything is there. So so we are right actually. Objects, because here they have given difficult to understand, difficult to interpret, difficult to understand. So that's done. Now next sentence is 8000 BC. 8000 is in next paragraph. See this, 8000 BC is there. So I will just fold it. So here 8000 they are talking, here 8000 is also here. Then 8000 BC combined dash to create new concept, man plus winter. Man plus winter means death. Here it is given. So what they want to combine, let's read it. They show how images used to represent concrete objects could be expanded to include abstractions by adding symbols together or using associate symbols. Combined together, okay, adding symbols together or using associated symbols. So combined symbols we can write here, symbols. Okay, see this, everything we have got 8000 BC combined. Combined means together, together or using associated symbols to create new concept. Concrete object to abstractions. So everything definitely we can't get each and every word. Yeah, this is perfect. So this also we have got from this paragraph. Now next, after this, it started using same pictogram for different words with same pictogram. Very important step. Okay, Okay, so this next paragraph we can read it. After this, using same pictograms, Sumerian pictograms had spread to other areas. Sumerians had made a major advance step towards, so very important step, I think, this major advance towards modern writing with the development of this with same, which mean that symbols could be used to indicate sounds. Using same pictogram for different words with same sounds. Above what they were talking about, symbols. This was done, particular symbol, not only for one thing, but it originally pictogram for could also be used to mean the specific meaning of the pictogram could only be through context. With same, I think symbols they are talking, started using same pictogram. Same pictogram here also, because this paragraph we have done. Now this must be talking about Sumerian pictograms had spread to other areas and Sumerian had made a advance towards modern writing with the development of principle, which means symbols could be used to indicate sound. Different words means symbols with the same sounds, I can use it. With same, I am not getting it, but definitely similar way is given. But also for something, this was done trying using a particular symbol, not only for one thing it originally represented, but also for anything which was pronounced in a similar way with same sound. So that we have done. Multiple choice question in next video.